morning. In the last class, you studied op-amps, characteristics of op-amps, some application of the op-amps, what are the inputs, what are the outputs, and supply pins, all those things. And you studied the characteristics of ideal op-amp and practical op-amps, and virtual ground property, etc. Inverting op-amp, non-inverting op-amps. So, in inverting op-amp, the input and outputs are 180-degree phase shifts, out of phase with respect to input and output. Whereas in non-inverting op-amp, there is no phase shift between input and output. The input and outputs are in phase and output is amplified version of the input with a factor of 1 plus RF by R1, like that. You are getting the different factors, amplification factor. The next application is adder or summer, inverting summer adder. This is inverting terminal, this is non-inverting terminal. Non-inverting terminal is grounded, this is R1, this is R2, R3. Through this we are applying V1, applying V2, applying V3. The current is I1 through R1, I2 through R2, I3 through R3, IF. So, this is the circuit diagram for adder or summer. In this, we are applied 3 inputs V1, V2, V3 through the resistances R1, R2, R3 respectively. And the currents due to voltage V1, that is introduced as I1 through R1, the current I2 flows through the R2 and I3 flows through R3. And similarly, the current through the feedback resistor RF is nothing but the IF. IF is the current which is flowing through the RF. And observe here, the non-inverting terminal is grounded and we are applying the inputs V1, V2, V3 to the inverting terminals. Therefore, terminal non-inverting terminal is grounded. Whatever the potential at this point is same as the potential at terminal B. Therefore, we can call VA equal to VB, that is equal to 0 volts. That is the value. At the non-inverting terminal, the terminal is A, which is VA, and that is equal to VB, and that is equal to 0 volts because it is grounded due to virtual ground property. Therefore, we can go for finding the output voltage with respect to this circuit, summer circuit. Let us consider the current I1 flows through R1. The current I1 is given by difference between these two potential, V1 minus VB dividing by R1. Similarly, I2 is V2 minus VB dividing by R2. V3 minus VB dividing by R3, which is nothing but the I3. Similarly, the current IF is given by VB minus VO dividing by RF. That is nothing but the different currents which is obtained in the circuitry. That is, we can write I1 through the resistance R1 is given by V1 minus VA dividing by R1. V1 minus VB dividing by R1. Therefore, I can write this as I1 is equal to VB is 0, that is V1 by R1. I will call this as expression number 1. Similarly, go for the finding the expression for I2. So, I2 is equal to V2 minus VB dividing by R2. I2 is V2 minus VB dividing by R2. VB is 0 from the virtual ground property. I can write I2 equal to V2 by R2. I will call this as expression number 2. I2 equal to V2 minus VB by R2. So VB is 0. So substituting that VB as 0, hence V2 by R2, that is equal to I2. I am calling that expression as 2. Next, going for finding the value of I3. I3 is equal to V3 minus VB dividing by R3. Therefore, I3 is obtained as VB is 0, V3 by R3. Call this as expression number 3. Similarly, I am going to find out the expression for IF. What is IF value? IF is VB minus VO dividing by RF, because direction is from B to O, that is output side. So IF is given by VB minus VO dividing by RF. I can write IF as VB 0 minus VO by RF. This is the expression for, I will call this as expression number 4 for IF. Observe here, we know that Kirchhoff current law, voltage law, etc. By using Kirchhoff current law for this node B, what happens? The entering currents is equal to leaving currents. Sum of entering currents is equal to sum of leaving currents. What are the entering currents here? What are the entering currents here to the node B? I1, I2, I3 are the entering currents, and IF is nothing but the leaving current. Hence, we can say that by using the Kirchhoff current law, I1 plus I2 plus I3, that is equal to IF, or IF equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Kirchhoff current law for the circuit, we can write IF equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Sum of the incoming currents equal to sum of the outgoing currents. I will call this as expression number star by using the Kirchhoff current law. Substituting I1, I2, I3 and IF from the expression 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively, for the expression star, we get IF is what? Minus VO by RF. And what is I1? V1 by R1. That is equal to V1 by R1 plus V2 by R2 plus V3 by R3. I can write VO equal to, cross multiplying this, minus RF into V1 by R1 plus V2 by R2 plus V3 by R3. This is the output voltage for the summer. Let us consider that one assumption, R1, R2, R3 all are same, that is equal to R. Consider R1 equal to R2 equal to R3 equal to R. Therefore, the above expression for VO can be written as VO equal to minus RF V1 by R plus V2 by R V3 by R, because R1, R2, R3 are all the same, that is equal to R. Therefore, I can write this as, I will take R outside, we can write remaining thing is V1 plus V2 plus V3. This is the expression when all the resistances R1, R2, R3 are same, that is equal to R. Hence, we can write VO equal to minus RF by R into V1 plus V2 plus V3. Here minus indicates that we are applying the input to the inverting terminal. You can see that same thing in the inverting amplifier also. What you will get? Output is minus of input. Okay. That means here also the output inputs are applied at the inverting terminal, hence output is inverted form. So VO equal to minus of RF by R V1 plus V2 by V3. So this term is nothing but the amplification factor or gain factor. Hence we can say that this is a constant. RF by R is a constant because amplification factor is constant, gain is constant. Hence the output voltage VO equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. we can say that the circuit works as or acts as summer. Sum all the input voltages, or it will add all the input voltages. Hence the name called as the summer or adder. Here it has only 3 inputs, V1, V2, V3. Let us consider that the inputs are n number of inputs. What's the expression, final expression? That is equal to VO equal to minus RF by R, by considering this assumption, R into V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V4 plus V5 plus etc. plus Vn, considering n number of inputs. N number of inputs, we will get the generalized expression for the n number of inputs for the adder, which is nothing but VO equal to minus RF by R into V1 plus V2 plus V3. That is nothing but the final expression for output voltage of the n number of input adder. Next application is differentiator. In the inverting op amp, you observe that output is inverted version of the input voltage with amplification factor, and in non-inverting means the output is same phase with respect to input voltage with amplification factor. In adder, the output is sum of all the input voltages with amplification factor,